Rafalbrzezinski. Presents From Poet's Drawer Part 2. Ryszard Mierzejewski. Be a Bird, as translated by Marek Wakuluk. Music by Daniel Stawczyk. Be a bird. When you have finally been cornered, flung down, degraded, painfully pinned down to the ground, friends walk away to their own agendas, strangers mock you. Be like a bird. Lift your head and spread your arms. Look at all the flowers that surround you. All those welcoming fields of greens, leaves in the woods you have yet to explore. Fly there! Take heed to your brothers and sisters. They will show you what freedom is, what truth is, what beauty is. Never go back. Be like a bird in a free world of wind, rain, and clouds. Sing your own song.